There is a beautiful poem of Allama Muhammad Iqbal, Mahir Nafsiyat se. It means to the psychologist. It reads, जुर्रत है तो अफकार की दुनिया से गुजर जा, हैं बहरे खुदी में अभी पोशीदा जजीरे, खुलते नहीं इस कुल्ज़ में खामोशी के असरार, जब तक तू इसे ज़रबे कलीमी से न चीरे. So जुर्रत है, that means if you have courage, if you have dare, then cross the land of the thoughts. हैं बहरे खुदी में अभी पोशीदा जजीरे, that means in yourself there are so many hidden islands that you still do not know, and when you will strive, when you will take action, then you will find out what are the great qualities that God has given to you. खुलते नहीं इस कुल्ज़ में खामोशी के असरार. कुल्ज़ means sea. So this silent sea that God has kept in you, you will never be able to find out the secrets of this silent sea जब तक तू इसे ज़रबे कलीमी से न चीरे, unless you tear it down with the strike, like the strike of Moses. Zarbe Kalimi means the staff of Hazrat Musa alayhi salam, when he struck it upon the ocean, it broke into two parts, and the race of Hazrat Musa alayhi salam, Bani Israel crossed that particular river. So how it reads if you convert it into English? It's very beautiful. If you dare, then cross the land of thought, for hidden isles still lie unsought. The silent ocean keeps its lure, till struck by wisdom's mighty oar. By the way, this beautiful translation or this beautiful versification of this idea into English is by ChatGPT. And it's very beautiful to read, by the way. If you dare, then cross the land of thought. Cross the land of thought means just come into the world of action, for hidden isles still lie unsought. So what are those hidden isles? Those hidden isles means the great qualities that God has given you. You will find out them when you will come into the seas of actions. So there you will find out these hidden isles that still lie unsought. Unsought means something hidden, कोई चीज जो कि आपसे अभी तक छुपी हुई है. The silent ocean keeps its lore. Lore means also kahani, and lore here means the secret, that the silent ocean, kulzum mein khamosh, the silent ocean keeps its lore till struck by wisdom's mighty oar. And the wisdom's mighty oar is the mighty power of action that reveals the real wisdom behind things and the real greatness that God has given to you. Hopefully you must have enjoyed this poem, and the simple idea of this poem is that don't remain in the worlds of thought, don't remain buried in the world of books, just come into the worlds of actions, just do something, and when you will do something, then you will find out the wisdom or the reality behind that particular action. And when you will come to the world of action, then God will reveal upon you the great qualities that God has given you that can revolutionize and change this world. जुर्रत है तो अफकार की दुनिया से गुजर जा, हैं बहरे खुदी में अभी पोशीदा जजीरे, खुलते नहीं इस कुल्ज़ में खामोशी के असरार, जब तक तू इसे ज़रबे कलीमी से न चीरे.